It's right. Yes, perfect.
What?
The map. It's a good map. Bow. Yo, bro already has 6 kills. In the free throw. No.
I need the rest of your account. I need the rest of your account.
No, those are the accounts I subscribe to.
Hmm?
Those are the accounts I subscribe to. Where are they?
How come I want you that 5 subscribers?
I don't. That's my friend's account. Which one?
The pink one.
The pink one?
Yeah.
Which one? That's a YouTuber's one.
So this is one of your friends too?
No. That's the pink shirt color. Yo.
Okay. Excuse me. Can you do this?
I don't go there. I check on my phone.
Oh, you're full of shit. The case is the one that makes it all so much better. Oh, no, another one.
Yeah, I'm gonna upload in like a second. I'm gonna lose the match.
You can't lose the match, bro.
Yeah, I lost the match because the guy started with 6 kills. I was still.
How many skills you started with?
It's 0. Yeah, I can't glitch.
What's clutch?
It means when like somebody has like a high amount of like points and then like you pass
Watch
them
out.
in points,
Enemy orbital laser deployed.
then you win.
Oh, you don't have that?
Yeah. I mean, I can try. But that's gonna be hard. I'm dead.
UAV recon ready for deployment.
Come on. No!
Wait,
He
what?
won. How did I get 3rd place?
Well, how much space did you have?
And the guy.
How much space did you have?
10. Well, 11 or 10. But
Wait.
either way,
Just another day. Good job.
it's easy to get first place. Because when you first start, you have bots. Upstairs. Either way, that's
I'm going upstairs.
goodbye.
I'm going upstairs.